Hi everyone, welcome again to another Gaelic class. Fáilte Gaelically Joseph is Mr. Joseph. As you all know, I'm preparing for a Gaelic exam on Friday. So I have here 200 questions, which I'm going to go through. We won't manage all of them right now, but as I go through them, I'm going to tell you what they mean in English and also give you the Gaelic answer. Some of them should be very easy for you, and others might be a bit more tricky. So let's begin with the ones we can see on the screen here, and these are indeed relatively straightforward. Kimmerahau, Hami Guma, Hami Gleva. Kimmerahau, how are you? Hami Guma, good, I'm good. Hami Gleva, I'm very good. Chanyo Donna, not bad. Kosahahu. Now that literally means where are you from, but Ko translates as which. So the literal meaning of this is saying which place are you from, I think, or something like that. But Kacha actually means where. Okay, so Kosahahu Hami Paslich. I'm from Paisley. Or Hami Alaba. I'm from Scotland. With me so far? Good. Jane Tennemahorst. She Joseph Ahorn. She Joseph Ahorn is the correct pronunciation there. She Joseph Ahorn. If you're talking about somebody else, remember what we spoke about before, I think a couple of days ago. But the Autumn is on me, the name that's on me. Okay, you can go back to yesterday's clip if you want to know more about that. Okay. Jane Tenema Hair is what's the name on him? And the answer, of course, would be Shay, I don't know, John Hair, for example. But right now I'm talking about me, so I'm saying as the answer, Shay Joseph Ahorum. Avelu Guma? Ha! Hami Guma. Yes, I'm fine. Avil Hu Guma, are you okay? Kimra Hashif Hain, how are you yourself? Obviously, you'll know this because Kimra How, Hami Guma, Kimra How Hain, how are you yourself? It's one of these comeback answers. How Tolicha and Junahil? Ha. Hami Tolicha and you. I'm happy today. How Tolicha and you? Literally, are you happy today? Okay, but of course, it's written as a statement, not as a question. So it means you're happy today? Are you? And the answer, Hamitolachenju. Yes, I'm happy today. Kimaraha and Amsaranju. She Fesker ma ahong. Now, do you remember that? She Fesker ma ahong. That's a good one. She Fesker ma ahong basically means it's a good afternoon in itself, or you could simply say hi fuur, hi vlug, hi pla. How an Albanachil? You're in Scotland, isn't that right? Ha, mi an Alaba. Have you Seamus and Sentai? Chanel Fisacum. Chanel Fisacum. I don't know where Seamus is. Have you Seamus and Sentai? Chanel Fisacum. Catchaville Ian. Hi Ian. Ans and Tai Anish. Okay. Remember, if you see Nahel at the end, it just means isn't it? So you have a statement followed by isn't it? Whereas with the questions, it actually begins with avail or catch avail or co. So these ones are quite easy to answer. How a Furach and in Glasgow? They're giving you the whole sentence, then saying, isn't that right? So how a Furach and in Glasgow? Chanel mi a Furach and in Glasgow. Hami a Furach and Paslich. I live in Paisley. Chanel means no. Jeta choranju, korma. It just means how are you? Korma, I'm fine. Hashemus answer Valley More na Chael. Hashemus answered Ballymore. Ha. Yes, he is. So easy. You can repeat the statement there because they're just saying, isn't it, at the end. So quite an easy one if they give you that. Aviliwan and Indonesian and Drasta. Kanyel. Hami an Paslich and Drasta. Chaniel me an Indonesian. So that's saying, are you in Edinburgh now? And the answer is no. How as an harang na. Okay, so the extra H, I believe in there, changes things. It now changes its sound. How as an harang na. I think it means France. So basically, you are in France, isn't it? Can me as an farang? Actually, what it's asking there is, are you from France? I just saw the AS. How was an harang nachel? Genio. Hami a alaba. I wil het liedje ans een taai uur. I wil u tolkje ans een taai uur. Hami tolkje ans een taai uur. Yes, I'm happy in the new house. Cymra hamwrwg glefa and Jew. How's Morg? She's very well. Ha iad tolicha and Jew na chael. They're happy today, aren't they? Ha iad tolicha. A fydd yn la breo and Jew. Ha yn la breo and Jew. Yeah. How a ffwrwch fisk and skol na chael. Chanel, hamia furach fisk and boo. Chanel me a furach fisk in school. No, I don't live near the school. I live near the shop. And boo, the shop. Right, let's just carry on. I think I just jumped there, didn't I? Yeah, let's carry on. Ha Glasgow ans an Eilean Skianach na Chael. Glasgow's in an island, isn't it? I'm not sure which island that is. It might be Skye, Skianach. Anyway, the answer is Chanel. I don't know how to say Glasgow's anywhere else, so I'm just going to say Chanel. No, it's not. How ans an tai I could hen Chel. Hami ans an tai acum. Okay, so that's my house. Remember to say I have something is acum, you have akat, how and tai akit. So you are in your house yourself, aren't you? Okay, very nice, very nice. We're doing well. Avilu a furach an assassin, Chaniel. Chaniel mi a furach an assassin. Do you live in England? No, I don't. Hami a furach an paslich an an alaba. Ha an amser plan June a chael. Chaniel. Chaniel. Chaniel amser bla an Jew. ha fuair an paslich an Jew. Ha to carriage an geltacht nachale. Okay, so that means your friends are in the Highlands, aren't they? Chaneo mo carriage and geltacht. No, they're not. Okay, we're doing well with the questions. Let's try a few more. How tolichi anis nachale? You're happy now. Yes? Ha mi tolichi anis? Ha am fon ac ober nachale? Ha am fon ac ober. Yeah, the phone's at work. Ha am fon ac ober nachale? Actually, I'm wondering if that means the phone is working. Yeah, it would be. Is the phone working? Ha am phone ac ober. Not is it at work, is it working? I think is what they're trying to say there. Because this whole sentence for the continuous, ha mi ac ober, for example. I will een teacher an een glasgow. Chanofis acum, I don't know. Ha and teacher an een Glasgow, I guess so, yeah. Ha an balla shobro na chael, brioch. Ha an balla sho brioch na chael. Ha an balla sho brioch. Yeah, this town is beautiful. Ha an phone ur akit na chael. Okay, so the new phone is at you. So basically, it's a new phone, isn't it? Ha an phone ur acum at me. Right, let me continue. Given ha Glasgow and Jew, ha ha Glasgow gleva. Avilhu anam bal bek no more. Avilhu anam bala bek no more. Bala. I said it wrong the first time. Avilhu anam bala bek no more. Ha mi furig anam paslich. Ha paslich voor. How furig ans an tai uur na chael. Chaneel mi a furig ans an tai uur. Kimmer ha am bala show. Ha paslich gleva. Chaneel donna. That just means how is this town? Hannah clown ans and skull na chael. So you can see the other children are in the school, no? Chaneo ha clown acum. I don't have kids. A vil een bankje aan een Glasgow. So is the bank in Glasgow? Ha an bankje aan een Glasgow. Kad je wil een teacher? Ha an teacher an een Glasgow andrasta. She's in Glasgow now, or he's in Glasgow now. The teacher is in Glasgow now. Ha an tai akit an een eilen skenig na chael. Ha an tai akit. So is your house on the Isle of Skye? I think that's Skye, isn't it? Chaneel an tai acum an paslich. Very good, very good. Avilu an indigenous and drasta. So are you in Edinburgh now? Chaneel mi an paslich an drasta. Han teacher ur an dem vala vorna chael. So is a new teacher in the large town. Well, it's a statement. The teacher is in the large town, isn't she or he? The problem is here, because they put the verb first, it literally does mean is the teacher, but the teacher is what it's saying. Okay. So han teacher ur ansa vala vor na chael. Chanel and teacher ur ans avala vor. And ha and teacher ur ans avala vec. So she's in a little town, not a big one. Right. Cargin agus, I think it's Telach, we say, or Techlach. Friends and family. Catchaville to carriage. Catchaville to carriage. Ha mo carriage and in Glasgow and Drasta. My friend is in Glasgow now. Ha dovra haran an hospital na chael. Your brother's in the hospital, isn't that right? Chaneo mi vrahar akum. I don't have a brother. So I started by saying there no, and then I said again no, I don't have a brother. Avel techlach a cat. Mi posta. I'm married, so that's saying, is there family at you? Do you have a family? Yes, I'm married. Had to fewer ans and tain a chael. Your sister's at home. Ha mo pure. Ha mo pure ans and tie. Oh, not easy. This is not easy, but good practice, because I've known many people to practice with. Kosa ha to Harijin. Ha mo Harijin. Ha mo Harijin. Ha mo Harijin Asa Twain. My friends are from Sweden. There we are. Avio Clown, Seamus. Can you Fisakam? I don't know if Seamus has kids. Avio Clown, Seamus. Or I could say, ha. I could say, hone, one child, or two, or probably three would be a better thing to say. So, ha, a tree clown. Like Seamus. There's three at Seamus. Or if I wanted to say at him, I could say ha a tree clown eke at him. Hado vahar tolichi and June a chael. Your mother's happy today, isn't she? Ha mo mahar tolichi and Jew. I'm a bit worried about whether it should be Movahar or Momahar. I'm guessing it should be Vahar. I need to check on that. Cachaveu de Vrahar and Drasta. Ha Movrahar Anantai and Drasta. Had to Charejan an Engeltjach Nachael. Ha mi Carrigan and a Geltjacht. Yeah, my friends are in the Highlands. So are your friends in the Highlands? Yes, my friends are in the Highlands. Ha techlach more akit. Chaneo mo techlach bek akum. My family is little. So this literally is family big at you? isn't it? And of course, what it means is family is big, isn't it? And I'm saying no, it's little big. Right, we'll just do another page, and then we'll finish, okay? So, Cacciavelu ac ober, hami ac ober erlinia, she teacher a hannam. You might remember that from yesterday's podcast. She hitcher a hannam. How tolchi san oper acet. Now, san, if I remember correctly, is one of these contractions where things that are brought together, but I don't remember what it is. It's probably is an, I suppose. How tolichi san oper acid. I'm guessing that means you're happy at work. Hami tolichi san oper acum. At my work. Remember, acid is at your work. Hadu carriage a cobran in Glasgow na hail. Hami carriage a cobran in Glasgow. Or I could say, Chaneu mo carriage a cobran in Glasgow. A velen teacher a cobar ag in school. Chaneu fisacum, or I could say, ha and teacher a cobar ag in school. Or Chaneu and teacher a cobar ag in school. So yes, the teacher works in school. No, the teacher doesn't work in the school. Kimmer a han oper acet and you. Gleva. I like my work, yeah. Gleva. So very good. My work is good. Kimmer a ha, as you know, is how is. So how's your work today? Ha tu vrahar ac oper ag an hospital na chael. Chaniel mo vrahar ac oper ec an hospital. Chaniel mo vrahar. No, my brother isn't in the hospital. Or I could say ha mo vrahar ac oper ag an hospital. So ac oper, of course, is work. So this literally means, is your brother working in the hospital? Ha an oper verrasta na chael. I don't know what verrasta is, so I'm going to ignore that. I will hu ac oper ag an tai. Let's see. Mi ac oper ag an tai erlinia. Le computer. Hato charage toliche lish an oper ur eki na chael. So that means literally your friends are happy with the new work. It's not friends, it's friend, isn't it? Your friend is happy with the new work, isn't it? Ha mo charage toliche lish an ober ur eke with his new work. Yeah. And teacher ur and an office vor na chael. Han teacher ur and an office vor. Or Chaniel and teacher ur and an office more. Right, I think that'll probably do it for now. So very nice, nice questions. I hope you've enjoyed that. And it's always a little intro, isn't it, into Gaelic questions. There we are. Thank you. Bye.